Sometimes dull complexion won't go away overnight, even if you try to layer on multiple skincare products. So let's find out how to keep your skin hydrated and increase its moisture levels. We all know that sunscreen application is non-negotiable when we step out of the house. But there's a common misconception that you don't need to wear sunscreen indoors. Our windows do not block the UVB rays from penetrating our skin. The sun's rays damage skin cells that boost collagen production, which makes our skin look dull, lifeless and pigmented. So yes, wearing sunscreen when you're home is very important. When the weather is hot outside, our skin too bears the brunt of it, leading to skin redness and rashes. The perfect remedy to keep your skin in its best condition is aloe vera. It not only tends to sensitive skin but also promotes skin hydration. Just rub some aloe vera gel over it to restore skin's moisture levels. A facial mist is hydrating, nourishing, and adds a certain amount of freshness to your face. So here's how you can quickly make one. Cut up a small cucumber and blend it. Take the cucumber mush and place into a cheesecloth. Squeeze all its juice in the bowl beneath it and then add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel into the bowl and 1/3 cup of distilled water. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle and your handy moisture booster is ready. Lack of your daily dose of water intake dehydrates the body, which in turn makes our skin look dull, lifeless and lackluster. So, in addition to drinking normal water, you can make it a little more interesting by adding some flavor to it. Add 10 to 12 pieces of watermelon to a jar of water. Top it up with a handful of basil leaves and stir it well. There you go, your very own version of detox water to keep your skin looking radiant and glowing. Coconut water is another way you can restore your skin's hydration inside out. Not only does it hydrate your skin, but is also rich in anti-aging properties and has the ability to ward off acne. Nothing gives quicker results than treating your skin internally. To keep your skin radiant all the time, what you need to feed it is a dosage of omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts, flax seeds, soybean and fish are rich sources of this fatty acid. Water-rich foods such as oranges, strawberries, mangoes, watermelons and cucumbers are supplements of water and rich in vitamins and antioxidants that keep the harmful radicals at bay. Consumption of yogurt will brighten the skin and will also keep it hydrated. Stay away from dark-colored clothes as well as synthetic fabrics such as rayon and polyester. These materials will not only leave you with a rash or prickly heat, but will also make you sweat more, leading to the loss of water from the body. So switch to breezier fabrics such as cotton and linen, as they will allow your skin to breathe. So make sure you follow these tips to keep your skin hydrated, smooth and healthy. That's a wrap, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.